All right, so hello, good morning, everyone.
Good
Hello,
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
good morning, good
Good
morning,
morning, sir.
good morning. Good. So it seems like you guys have a nice morning, huh? All right, so it's already 8:05, so our waiting time is already over. So I guess we can start now. So let me just share my screen real quick. All right, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So as you guys may already know, we only have three coverage for today. Well, you guys have probably already checked the week six, so I guess there's no need to reintroduce this one anymore. So we'll just skip this one. So we'll go straight with the final exam, the coverage of your final exam. So just a reminder, your final examination date will be on November 26th. So that would be on Friday. Okay, this week, Friday at exactly 7:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Okay, so you guys have 4 hours for your final exam. Right, so for the coverage, of course, as usual, you guys already know this one. The coverage will be, from the start of the week 4 up to the week 6. So yeah, three modules. Oops, let me just remove this one. This one should not be part of the week 6. So we have three modules, okay, for the final exam. So you guys don't need to review the midterms modules anymore. So just the finals modules. So module 4, module 5, and then module 6. Okay. So are we clear with that one?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
All right. So under week 6, so I only did give you two additional activities. So we have quiz on set operations and then case statistics. So this will be due on November 26th. So you guys have actually have a lot of things to do since the activities under week 5 is also due on November 26th. Okay. So I did move this one since it is we are required by the UST that there should be no synchronous activities at the date of November 23, okay, today. So supposedly the due date of this one is November 23, but they said that there should be no asynchronous activities. So I moved this one to November 26. So that's the reason why this one became November 26, from November 23 to November 26. And this one is as it is, it's already November 26. And then of course, after that will be your final exam. Okay. All right. So that's actually it. My the only things that I need to say. So the last agenda is your concerns. Anyone who has a question, who has a clarification, anything regarding under week 4 to week 5 to week 6. Anyone?
None, sir.
So that's great then, I guess. Well, anyway, just give me a thumbs up just to let me know that everything's good. You guys are doing good with this subject. You guys were able to follow everything. My way of discussing things is quite clear. Or what about the others? Mr. Derek, Angel, Silopre, Mr. Denver, Mr. Lawrence, Mr. Florida. For sure kung nag Anyway, so yeah, yun lang naman yung gusto kong sabihin. And supposedly, eto na yung chance nyo na magtanong. Kasi ito na yung last meeting natin. Okay, so if ever that there is a topic that I cannot understand or you wasn't able to follow very well, so this is now your last chance to ask that question. Okay. So yeah, anyone again? It's just really a very very short meeting. right. Anyway, so kung wala na talagang question. So again, just a reminder, next time will be it's a flexible learning now. So it's not a pure ODL anymore. So we're going to have a limited face-to-face classes. So especially yung mga laboratories. Okay, most of the laboratories that needs to be done on the school. So you guys need the school to do that laboratory. Okay, but if it's a lecture that doesn't need any equipment or tools, then it will stay the same as ODL, pure ODL. But for a limited face-to-face, so it's half-half. So 50% of the laboratory will be done in the school and 50% of it will be done online. Okay, so that will be the case for the this coming second term next year, January. Okay. All right, so those are the only things that I would like to say. And good luck to your final exam. Well, I'm pretty sure that you guys will be able to get a high score in my exam, since you guys did really good on my midterm exam. So, madali lang din tong final exam. All right. Anyway, so goodbye, and as always, thank you guys for coming. I really appreciate it, and see you guys when we meet again. Okay. Keep safe as always.
Goodbye, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Goodbye and have a good day too.
Goodbye, sir. See you
Goodbye.
po.
Bye everyone. Okay. So you guys may go now.